When you try something new things come out of it, and you get more out of it than you expect. We didn't just get digital transformation, we got a better sense of self, and we got a better sense of identity for the business. Engineering Systems Management is a boutique engineering management consulting company in Adelaide. We consult in engineering management, systems engineering and management systems. We're also specialists in safety in design, and we consult and train nationally. Before digital transformation, we didn't have a website and we didn't know what tools were out there that were suitable for us.
Mike said to me, "You're the coordinator of this. We'd like to do these things, but we don't really know how to go about it." The government assistance mentored us through the process of finding a web designer, for example. Just having a mentor was the key to us feeling confident to make the decisions.
We received mentoring about the website design, expert input about how the website should convey what engineering systems management is about. We've got companies approaching us now that wouldn't have approached us before, and they are finding us on the internet.
The website was what we went into the business advice seeking, and we gained so much more.
A lot of our work was interstate, so weekly or fortnightly, one or two of us would be flying interstate. One of the key things of digital transformations is that we've put all that training online, and we have gone digital in terms of our training delivery and workshop facilitation. Having the identity and the brand and the website that we've developed has given us a lot more confidence. I certainly feel more confident, the team feels more confident. We feel more cohesive as a team, and certainly more confident doing our business development now. If government assistance is available, take it, because you'll suddenly be working with and talking to a lot of people who've got a lot of knowledge that can help you.